Now let us work through some examples. Example 1. Given the number of degrees in angle A to be 33 and the number of degrees in angle B to be 75, find the number of degrees in the third angle of the triangle. Begin by letting x equal the number of degrees in the third angle. We know that in any triangle, the sum of the measure of its interior angles is 180 degrees. Therefore, we can write the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 3 is equal to 180 degrees. Substituting in our values for the measurements, we have 33 plus 75 plus x is equal to 180. Solving for x, we get x is equal to 72. Thus, the number of degrees in the third angle is 72. Example 2. The first angle of a triangle is 3 times the measure of the second angle. The third angle is 33 degrees more than the measure of the first angle. Find the measure of each angle. Let us begin by describing the measures of each angle. Since the measure of the third angle is given in terms of the first, and the measure of the first angle is given in terms of the second, we will begin by defining x to be the measure of the second angle. Then 3x will define the measure of the first angle, and 3x plus 33 will describe the measure of the third angle. Knowing that the sum of the measures of the interior angles of any triangle is 180 degrees, we can write the following equation. 3x plus x plus 3x plus 33 is equal to 180. Solving for x, we get x is equal to 21. Now substitute 21 into the expressions that represent the measures of the angles. 3x is equal to 3 times 21 is equal to 63 degrees, the measure of the first angle. X is equal to 21 degrees, the measure of the second angle. And 3x plus 33 is equal to 3 times 21 plus 33, which is 96 degrees, the measure of the third angle.